Remember that feeling of pure bliss after a day on the slopes? The exhilaration of carving through fresh powder, the laughter shared with friends, and the sense of accomplishment as you finally reach the bottom of the run. The crisp mountain air biting at your cheeks, the snow-capped peaks glistening under the sun, and the invigorating chill that makes you feel alive. Muscles pleasantly sore from a day well spent, and the warmth of the lodge beckoning you inside, offering a sanctuary from the cold. I can still picture it vividly: the crackling fireplace, the aroma of pine needles, and a steaming mug of hot chocolate in my hands. The fire's glow casting a warm light, creating a perfect ambiance for relaxation. That first sip was pure magic, rich, decadent, and oh so satisfying. The creamy texture, the perfect balance of sweetness, and the way it warmed you from the inside out. It was a ritual, a reward, a moment of pure indulgence. A time to reflect on the day's adventures and to simply be present in the moment. Fast forward a few years, or even decades, and while the love for that warm, comforting feeling remains, our bodies and priorities have evolved. We cherish those memories, but we also recognize the importance of making healthier choices. We're more conscious of what we consume, aiming for choices that nourish our bodies and support our well-being. We seek out ingredients that are wholesome and beneficial, without compromising on taste. But does that mean we have to bid farewell to our beloved hot chocolate? Absolutely not. With a few thoughtful adjustments, we can still enjoy this delightful treat, ensuring it remains a part of our cherished winter rituals. As we navigate the exciting chapter of life after 40, our bodies send us gentle reminders that our nutritional needs have shifted. This stage of life brings with it a unique set of challenges and opportunities. We start to notice changes in our metabolism, energy levels, and even how our bodies respond to certain foods. It's a time to listen closely to what our bodies are telling us, and to make adjustments that support our long-term health and well-being. We become more mindful of our metabolism, blood sugar levels, and overall health. This mindfulness extends to our daily habits, from the foods we choose to the way we move our bodies. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports our health goals without feeling restrictive or overwhelming. It's not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that make us feel our best from the inside out. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods that nourish our bodies, we can enjoy a sense of vitality and well-being. This approach allows us to indulge in our favorite treats in moderation, knowing that we're supporting our overall health. This means embracing whole foods, incorporating more fruits and vegetables, and being mindful of our sugar intake. Whole foods provide the essential nutrients our bodies need to function optimally, while reducing processed sugars helps maintain stable energy levels and supports metabolic health. But remember, a healthy lifestyle doesn't mean living in a constant state of denial. It's all about balance. Enjoying meals with friends and family, savoring the flavors of our favorite dishes, and allowing ourselves the occasional treat are all part of a sustainable approach to health. We can still enjoy the foods we love, including our cherished hot chocolate, by exploring healthier alternatives that align with our wellness goals. Whether it's using natural sweeteners, opting for dark chocolate, or adding a touch of cinnamon, there are many ways to make our favorite indulgences a part of our healthy lifestyle. Enter the world of Paleo hot chocolate, a delicious and guilt-free way to satisfy your cravings while nourishing your body. This recipe swaps out refined sugar and processed ingredients for natural, wholesome alternatives that are naturally gluten-free and packed with nutrients. We're talking about rich, unsweetened cocoa powder bursting with antioxidants, a touch of natural sweetness from maple syrup, and a creamy texture from almond milk. And the best part? You can customize it to your heart's content. Ready to embark on this delicious adventure? Today, we're going to make a delightful homemade hot chocolate that will warm your soul and tantalize your taste buds. Perfect for a cozy evening or a special treat. Let's gather our ingredients. 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk, or any milk alternative you prefer. Almond milk gives a creamy texture without the dairy. You can also use oat milk, soy milk, or even coconut milk for a different flavor profile. Next, we need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. This will give our hot chocolate that rich, chocolatey taste we all love. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. This natural sweetener adds a lovely depth of flavor. Adjust the amount based on your sweetness preference. Taste as you go to make sure it's just right for you. A 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance the overall flavor, adding a subtle sweetness and aroma. And don't forget a pinch of sea salt. It balances the sweetness and brings out the chocolate flavor. Optional. A pinch of cinnamon or cayenne pepper can add a unique twist. Or, for a refreshing touch, try a dash of peppermint extract. These optional ingredients can elevate your hot chocolate to a gourmet level. So, here we go. In a small saucepan, combine the almond milk, cocoa powder, and maple syrup. Make sure to mix them well. Stir in the vanilla extract and sea salt. Heat the mixture over medium heat. Keep whisking constantly until the mixture is smooth and heated through. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the texture. Once it's ready, remove from heat and pour into your favorite mugs. The aroma will be irresistible. Add your desired toppings like whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Now, sit back, relax, and savor every sip of your homemade hot chocolate. Enjoy. Spice up your life. Customization ideas. Now for the fun part, making this recipe your own. Here are a few ideas to get your creative juices flowing. Spice it up. Add a pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom for a warm, comforting flavor. Go bold. A dash of cayenne pepper or chili powder adds a surprising kick. Minty fresh. A drop of peppermint extract transforms your hot chocolate into a refreshing treat. Top it off. Get creative with toppings. Think whipped coconut cream, dairy-free chocolate chips, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Superfood Spotlight. Unveiling the Nutritional Powerhouse. Let's break down the nutritional stars of our Paleo hot chocolate. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and minerals like magnesium and iron. It can help boost mood, improve heart health, and protect your cells from damage. Almond milk is a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin health and immune function. It's also lower in calories and fat compared to cow's milk. Maple syrup is a natural sweetener that contains antioxidants and minerals like manganese and zinc. It has a lower glycemic index compared to refined sugar, making it a gentler option for blood sugar levels. A toast to good health and delicious indulgence. So there you have it. A guilt-free, nutrient-packed hot chocolate that satisfies your cravings and supports your well-being. It's proof that you can enjoy life's little pleasures while making choices that nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, it's all about balance and finding joy in the journey. Indulge mindfully, savor every sip, and embrace the power of healthy choices that make you feel your absolute best. Share the warmth. Now it's your turn. I'd love to hear about your Paleo hot chocolate creations. What are your favorite toppings? Did you try any unique flavor combinations? Share your experiences, photos, and tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this delicious and healthy journey. Let's go beyond the mug. Embrace a healthier lifestyle. This Paleo hot chocolate recipe is just the beginning. Explore other healthy swaps in your kitchen, experiment with new recipes, and embrace a holistic approach to wellness that includes nourishing foods, regular exercise, and mindful living. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. Watch this next video for more tips and research-based techniques for a healthier and happier you. And remember, eat well, live well.